Good morning, dear parents. I am Ojasvi. I am here on the behalf of Crescent Public School and Creative Mind. Ma'am, what is your good name?
My name is Shraddha.
What is your name?
Name?
तुझं नाव काय आहे?
What's your name?
तुझं नाव काय आहे?
Say Naira. Say your name.
Okay, no problem. Ma'am, what you have done in your recipe?
This is recipe is chaat boat, cucumber boat actually, and this is first time I made with my daughter this dish, and I first I participate in.
Ma'am, you have ever done this competitions?
Sorry.
Have you ever participated in concerts?
No.
Oh. Ma'am, how do you feel now in this time?
Happy.
What you are feeling about Crescent Public School? What is your experience?
Crescent Public School is very actually my daughter is very small, but Crescent Public School provide facilities and provide education is well good.
Thank you, mom, for your feedback.